In previous class, we discussed about what is a computer, organization of a computer, then applications of computer, characteristics of computer. Today, we are going to discuss about peripheral devices, input devices, output devices. Okay. Then, what do you mean by peripheral devices? Peripheral devices are connected to the computer externally. Peripheral devices are connected to the computer externally. Then let's look at the picture. This is a computer system. It is connected different peripheral devices such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, disk drives. These are connected to externally. Okay. In these devices are used for performing some specific functions. Some of the peripheral devices are input devices, output devices. Okay. These peripheral devices are for performing some specific function. There's some input devices like input devices accept data and instruction from the user. We have some specific functions such as accept data and instruction from the user. Input devices accept data and instruction from the user. Some examples for input devices are keyboard, mouse, light pen, optical scanner or magnetic scanner, touch screen, microphone for voices input, and trackball. Some of the input devices are keyboard, mouse, light pen, optical scanner or magnetic scanner, touch screen, microphone, trackball. Okay. Then keyboard. A keyboard is a most common input devices. Keyboard is a most common input devices. Several kinds of keyboards are available. The keyboard in most common use is QWERT. This type of keyboard is a QWERT type keyboard. This generally standard keyboard has 104 keys. In a standard keyboard, 104 keys. Okay. Keyboard is a most common input devices. Most common use of the keyboard is QWERT keyboard, like this type of keyboard. This type of keyboard has 104 keys. These keyboards, the cursor controls the keys are duplicated to allow the easier use of the numeric pad. This keyboard, the cursor controls the keys are duplicated to allow the user use of the numeric pad. Then mouse. Then mouse is an electromechanical handheld device. Mouse is an electromechanical handheld device. This is a mouse. It is used as a pointer. Mouse is used as a pointer. It can perform functions like selecting menus, commands, moving icons, resizing windows, starting program, and choosing options. What are the functions of a mouse? It can perform functions like selecting menus, uh, selecting menu commands, moving icons, resizing windows, starting program, and choosing options. Mouse is a pointing device. It is used as a pointer. Mouse is an electromechanical handheld device. Electromechanical handheld device. It is used as a pointer. It can perform functions like selecting menu commands, moving icons, resizing windows, starting programs, etc. The most common mouse uses an internal magnetically coated ball to detect the movement of the mouse across a flat surface. The most common mouse uses an internal magnetically coated ball to detect the movement of the mouse across a flat surface. Nowadays, optical or laser mouse is used to detect the movement. Okay. Next input device is light pen. An input device that utilizes a light sensitive detector to select objects on a display screen. This is a light pen. It is an input device that utilizes a light sensitive detector. It has light sensitive detector to select objects on a display screen. To select objects on a display screen. A light pen is similar to a mouse. A light pen is similar to a mouse. It is that a light pen, we can move the pointer and select objects on the display screen by directly pointing to the objects with the pen. A light pen, we can move the pointer and select objects on the display screen by directly pointing to the objects with the pen. Next, optical scanner. Optical scanner are used for automatic data collection. Optical scanners are used for automatic data collection. Example for optical scanner is barcode reader. Barcode reader is a just a example for the image scanner. These optical scanner are used for automatic data collection. These devices completely eliminate the manual input of the data. It can eliminate manual input of data. Example for image scanner, like image scanner is barcode reader. Barcode reader is an input device. An image scanner translates printed image into an electronic format that can be stored in a computer's memory. And With the right kind of the software, one can alter a storage image. An image scanner translates printed images, printed images into an electronic format that can be stored in a computer's memory. An image scanner, barcode is the type of image scanner. Image scanner translates printed images into an electronic format that can be stored in a computer's memory. Another example for scanner is optical character recognition, that is OCR. Another example for scanner is optical scanner recognition, OCR. OCR is used by banks to convert the scanned images of a typed or printed pages into text that can be edited on the computer. This OCR used by banks to convert the scanned images of a typed or printed page into text that can be edited on the computer. Next, touch screen. In this type of keyboard, inputs can be given through the computer screen that accept the input through monitor. Users touch electronic buttons displayed on the screen, or they may be used light pen. In touch screen is an input device. The inputs can be given through the computer screen that accept the input through monitor, like this. Through monitor, users touch electronic buttons displayed on the screen, or they may be used light pen. Okay, next, microphone. Microphone is an input device which takes voice as input. Microphone is an input device which takes voice as input. Two type of microphones available: desktop microphone, handheld microphone. Then trackball. Trackball is a pointing device. A trackball is a mouse lying on its back. Trackball is a pointing device, is a mouse laying on its back. The advantages of trackball over mouse is that the trackball is stationary, so it does not require much space to use it. Trackball is stationary, so it does not require much space to use it. In addition, you can place a trackball on any type of surface, including your laptop. Including your lap. For both these reasons, trackballs are popularly pointing device. Then once again, What do you mean by peripheral device? Peripheral devices are connected to the computer externally. These devices are used for performing some specific functions. Some of the peripheral devices are input devices, output devices, and other peripheral devices. These are the peripheral devices connected to the computer. Then some of the input devices are, we discussed, keyboard, mouse, light pen, optical or magnetic scanner, touch screen, microphone, and trackball.